This 2026 Grand Design Reflection 150,260 road is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep's 4, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, microwave, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, slide-out, stovetop burner, water heater, LP detector, oven, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Reflection 150,260 road is 7,534 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.